I'm going to take the engine out eventually, so I'm just draining some radiator fluid right now. I'm just going to disconnect the radiator and pull it out. Might as well get some more room. So I point out where the drain plug is. This is the drain plug. It's just finger tight. Goes up under here. Alright, I'm on to removing the radiator now. There are 4 bolts. One there, one there, one there, one there. Just where you'd expect. On mine, 3 of them were 12 millimeters, one was a 13. And I've taken the top radiator hose off. Bottom one is down under here. It's all crusty. I don't know if you saw that. I'm not bending down to have a look. I couldn't get it to move. So I'm going to see if I can get it to move now that the radiator is mobile. But the other thing I found is this probably hasn't moved in 100 years. And so the radiator, even though it's unbolted, it's still stuck. So hence the pry bar. I already popped one corner out. Here, I'll try and get this guy here. There we go. That may have sounded like it was really hard, but I didn't actually put that much force into it. And now it's separated. So there's nothing attaching it. It's just like this rubber has melded with the front wall of the truck here. Alright, radiator's out. Here comes. I ended up cutting this lower radiator hose. You can see there's lots of sludge down there. So I'll investigate that a little bit. The part that dribbled out was pretty dirty from the bottom. That's not great, but we'll see. I was just checking because I noticed there's no windshield washer in this truck. I'm assuming it used to have a single one right there. There's just a hole now. It does have this washer container. Thought I'd show you how it's attached in case someone's trying to pull that off. Just wiggle back and forth very gently, so you don't want to break this old plastic, but it slid right out. You can just pull that electrical connector off, and then you can see the hose is snipped on mine, but you could also just pull that hose off. I don't know why it's snipped. Well, other than it doesn't exist.